Good morning, students. I hope that all of you are safe at homes. And now, in previous class, we learned about electric lines of force. In the continuation of that, so here we are learning about now electric dipole. Electric dipole. So here, in the name itself, it is there dipole. Di means two. Pole means polarity. Polarity in the sense one positive and one negative. Positive is a polarity and negative is a polarity. Two polarities will be there. So here two polarities. So here what is the definition of electric dipole? It is an arrangement. It is an arrangement of two equal and opposite charges separated by some distance. This is called here electric dipole. So here this is plus q and this is minus q. It is an arrangement of two equal. This is plus q and q equal. Opposite one is pluses and another one is minus, and these two are separated by some distance r. Or we can call this, here it is the two a. The distance it is. Okay, why I have taken 2a instead of instead of taking simply a, and I will explain it later. So here I would like to define dipole moment. This is represented with the letter small p. It is the product of magnitude of one of the charge into length of the dipole. This is 2a is called here the length of the dipole, and simply it is defined as the product of one of the charge magnitude and length of the dipole. This is the formula for dipole moment, and here the units will be coulomb into meter. This is coulomb and this is the meter. This is the dipole moment. Okay, this we are going to use in the next derivations, so please remember this formula. So all and all, this is the definition and this is the basic information about the electric dipole. So the next thing is that electric field due to dipole, electric dipole. Electric field due to electric dipole. Here markers are not writing properly. It's a quarantine time, no shops are available, so no ink bottles also available, so here I am maintaining. So electric field due to electric dipole. Here at 2 points we are going to find out electric field due to electric dipole. One point, it is the on axial line, and second thing is the equatorial line. One is axial line and second thing is the equatorial line. Axial line means, suppose if you take this is the plus q and this is the minus q, and the line, and here axial line means the line which joins the two charges. This is called axial line. Simply axial line means the definition, it is the line which joins the two charges in a dipole. That is called here axial line. So here at this point, due to these charges, we are going to find out electric field. And second thing is equatorial line. This is axial line, and second thing is equatorial line. Minus q, and join them. This is the equatorial line. Equatorial line means the line which is perpendicular to axial line and passing through center of dipole. Center of dipole. This line is perpendicular to axial line, and here this is also perpendicular, but it should pass through the center of the dipole, the center point, midpoint of the dipole. So here, in order to get and here I am taking 2a. Why I am taking 2a? Here I am explaining. So this is a, and this is a. Okay, and suppose if you have taken, this is the a total length, and this will be a by 2, and this will be a by 2, and in future we are going to use this length only. Here it is this length only and this length only. So if you have taken a by 2 and a by 2, it will be a little difficult in calculating expressions, derivations. Here it is. So to make derivations simplest one, so here I am taking this total length is a, and this is 2a, total length is 2a, and this is a, and this is a. Here it is. Okay, and now we are going to find out electric field on the axial line. So in order to avoid the confusion from the NCERT book, so here I am taking the same figure, same sign conventions also. This is minus q, and this is plus q, and this length is 2a, and this is the axial line. So here at a point P, we are going to find out electric field, and this is at a distance of r from the center of the dipole. So this is center point. So here this length will be a, and this length will be a. And in previous class we studied electric field due to a point charge. This is a point charge, and this is a point charge. We learned electric field due to a point charge E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by r square, or d square. Here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, here I have taken k, and this r means the distance from the point charge to a point where we are going to find out electric field. This is the, in previous class I derived this one. So here I am going to use this one. So here what about this distance? This distance according to the given data, and this distance is r, and this distance is a. So here finally this will be r minus a. This distance, it is r minus a. Now here we are going to find out electric field due to positive charge. This is called E plus. So the formula, it is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. R square means this is the distance, here it is. So the distance is r minus a whole square. So the direction is also important. Here it is E plus direction. So here we know that the direction of electric field from the positive charge, it is away from the charge. This is E plus. E plus. Okay. And similarly, E minus also. E minus. 1 by, this is electric field. E minus means electric field at point P due to this charge. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by this distance from here to here it is. This distance is R and this is A. So this will be totally R plus A. Don't get any confusion. This is R and this distance is A. R plus A. Okay. R plus A whole square. What is the direction? This is the negative charge and this is towards the charge. This is E minus. So net electric field at P, EP, EP in the sense net electric field at P. So here I have to add these 2 points, E plus and E minus, and if these two are in the same direction we will add them, but here one is one direction and this is another direction, opposite direction, so we have to subtract them. So here they have taken, this is the positive sign and this is the negative direction, this is positive direction and this is the negative direction. In textbook they have taken like that, no problem. If you take, this is the plus and there is no minus, but in order to avoid the confusion here I am taking like that only. So this is plus and this will be minus. So here Q by 4 pi epsilon you can take as a common. This is the common thing. 1 by R minus A whole square, 1 by R plus A whole square. And now we have to do simplification of this one. See that simplification. You must have good at mathematics to learn physics. So therefore EP is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. So here what is LCM? This one into this one. So A minus B whole square into A plus B whole square. This is the case. The next one, this is R plus A whole square R minus A whole square. Okay. So this is EP is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into this one. If you do simplification of this one, A square, A plus B whole square and A minus B whole square. And here you will get 4RA by R square minus A square whole square. So, and here this 4 can be, it should be written like this, 2 into 2. Why? Because of I am separating here, it is 2A. So here I am writing 2RA as like this. This 2A into Q. This is nothing but previously I told you, dipole moment. So this is 2 dipole moment into R by 4 pi epsilon naught into R square minus A square whole square. Okay, so these are all things. So finally what we got, EP is equal to 2PR by 4 pi epsilon naught R square minus A square whole square. This is, in this one, suppose if the dipole is small, is small when compared with what? What is the reference line? And when compared with the distance, the r, if r is very greater than a, this is plus q, this is plus q, and this is minus q we have taken, and this is the r, and this r is very greater than this a. That is, if the dipole is smallest one, in that particular case, what to do and how to proceed. And here, this is, and when compare here, a square can be neglected. Here it is, r is very greater than, then r square is very much greater than about a square. So if you add a square, or if you are deleting a square, it doesn't any sense. R is very much greater than, sense it is like ocean of water. It is like ocean of water, and it is a one bucket of water. So if you add one bucket of water to ocean, and if you have taken water from ocean, it water level will not be changes. So here it is, EP is equal to 2PR by 4 pi epsilon naught into this a square can be neglected. So here r square into r square, it will be equal to r power 4. So here you will get 2PR by, so here r and here r1 r will be cancelled out. So what you will get here, 4 pi epsilon naught into r cube. So finally here what we got, the sign, positive sign only, positive sign. So what is the direction of